we'll guide you through how to choose Wix themes to make your website look amazing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. From here, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to select the type of website you want to create, such as a blog, online store, or portfolio. This helps Wix suggest relevant themes for your site. After selecting the type, you'll be directed to the theme selection page. Here you'll find a wide variety of themes categorized by industry and style. Take your time to scroll through the options. If you hover over a theme, you'll see a View button. Click this to preview the theme in detail. This preview lets you see how your website might look and feel with that theme. Pay attention to the layout, colors, and overall design. Once you find a theme you love, click on Edit to start customizing it. This will take you to the Wix editor where you can personalize the theme to fit your brand and content. You can change text, images, and even add new sections. Remember, you can always change your theme later if you find another one that suits your needs better. Choosing the right theme is crucial as it sets the tone and user experience for your visitors. Make sure it aligns with your brand and the message you want to convey. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.